Hello, welcome to our session Oracle VBCS Cloud. Today we are going to learn about how to configure Integration Generation 3 backend to use Oracle Cloud Integration in Visual Builder Cloud Services. All the Integration Factories APIs in Integration Generation 3 must use in the Integration Generation 2. If you want to call Factories APIs, you are allowed to use basic authentication, but now in this integration generation 3 this has been restricted and you need to visual builder cloud services. In this video I am going to show if you need to configure integration backend in visual builder cloud services. Configure integration generation 3 backend creates service connection to create and authentication Oracle integration generation 3 backend generation 3 service catalog. Here is a visual builder service connection tab. Here is a service connection. Here is a service. Here is a service connection. Here is a backend integration application. Hit the plus icon. Here is a server list of servers. Click the override backend. Open the edit page. Here is a test. The auth 2.0 provide configuration. Edit server identification. See, here is a security, here is a authentication, Oracle Cloud Authentication connection tab. Choose the connection tab. I have choose a service connection type is a allow use proxy inspective of core support, and here is a cancel, here is a save. To I have hit the save. Here is a select source, select from catalog. Visual Builder Cloud Services is a 3 tab endpoint service connection backend. Here is a first is a select from catalog, second is a defined by specification, third is a endpoint defined by endpoint. Here is a service catalog. Hit the integration application. Here is a all integration, so the Visual Builder Cloud backend services. Here is a all integration default package, all integration so the same is, but generation 2 is already configured the Visual Builder Cloud Services backend in integration call, but generation 2 is not showing the integration backend in catalog. So today we will cover all topics step by step. Let's move to the Visual Builder Cloud Services instance. Go to practice. Here is a here is a service connection tab. Here is a service connection. Here is a service connection. Here is a backend. To click the integration, click the plus icon. Here is a service connection. Here is a button. I have hit the service connection. Here is a create service connection. Here is a 3 tab service connection. The first is a service select from catalog defined by specification. Here is a defined by endpoint. So first click the select from endpoint. Here is a service catalog Oracle Cloud application. Here is a integration application. To click a integration application. Here is a create service, same issue. Here is a error, network error, unable to read the integration from Visual Builder catalog backend IC ICS IC API. Here is issues. Today we will cover video remove the issues. This Visual Builder Cloud Services service catalog backend. To let's go to back. Here is a back option. Hit the cancel. Here is a go to service connection. Tap the service connection. Here is a backend solution. To here is a overview general ICS backend tab integration application. Here is a servers list of servers. To hit the click the override backend. Here is a Click the override button, click the edit option. This page is open. Edit service page is open. Service identification. Here is a security. Here is a authentication. Here is a non Oracle Cloud Authentication Auth 2.0 client. Here is a I have choose a Oracle Cloud Authentic Cloud account. Here is a this is a connection type. A dynamic this server support core override connection type. Today we will hit the edit option. Here is a here is a connection type. Change the connection type. I have choose a connection type allow use to proxy. Here is a proxy. Here is a choose connection to allow use to proxy inspective of core support. Click the connection type, then cancel and save. Click the save button and go to connection backend catalog. Here is a service connection. Here is a this is a catalog. Select from catalog. Here is a service catalog. Here is a integration. Here is all integration. So the service catalog. Here is a default package. Here is alt integration. API invoice, BIP demo. All integrations show the same instance. Here is a for example, I have opened the one integration. Here is a API. Here is a create. Here is a hit the here is a source name AP underscore invalid service name. So I have put a AP invalid service name. Then create. Here is a connection by AP connection is a created. Here is a service endpoint. Here is a request payload, then response payload. Here is a backend. So friend, thanks for watching this video. If you have any other query, you want to ask anything, don't forget to comment. Thank you so much friend.